Question: what if you could rank any article, video, any blog, press release, any website, or any other content on the first page of Google, Bing, or Yahoo? Here's another question. What if it only took you minutes to put all your online marketing on autopilot? Well, over the next few moments, I'm about to show you exactly how to rank almost anything at the top of Google or any other search engine. I want to welcome you to Magic Submitter, the traffic wizard. It is literally the most powerful system ever created to dominate your market online. Magic Submitter makes it push button simple to market anything that you want online. You see, Magic Submitter allows you to create hundreds of accounts. Check. Allows you to submit over to 2,000 different sites. Check. It automatically verifies all your accounts. Check. And it easily solves all your CAPTCHAs. Check. It instantly confirms all the delivery of all your content. Check. And it can syndicate and backlink to article sites. Check. Blog sites, video sites, social sites, bookmarking sites, RSS feeds, forum sites, PDF sites, WordPress sites, and any website that you want to syndicate and send content to, you can program it into Magic Submitter. Imagine having the power to submit any type of content to any website that you wanted on the internet with just a few clicks. Check. On top of all that, imagine yourself being able to submit spun text to all the different websites so that every time they received your content, it would be 100% unique and 100% original, and search engines love that. Check. Magic Submitter also organizes all your links for you automatically. Check. Imagine being able to instantly ping all your links as well to notify the search engines about all your new content that's online. Check. Now imagine for a moment the ability to create drag and drop link campaigns that run on autopilot for weeks at a time that you don't have to do anything but just set it and forget it. Check. Now also imagine yourself being able to create professional reports with just a few clicks so that you can show your clients exactly all the hard work that you've been doing and being able to get them to the top of Google. Check. Now before I share with you all this, I want to spend a few moments explaining how Magic Submitter can rank you at the top of the search engines, and we're going to be able to give you access for under $5. That's right, so just stay tuned for just a few moments and we'll explain exactly how you can get access to this amazing platform to rank you for most anything for under $5. Now before I show you all this, let me spend a few minutes explaining how Magic Submitter can rank you at the top of almost any search engine for any piece of content. It all starts out by understanding that there's a big myth out there, and the myth is about ranking that whoever has the most backlinks wins, and that couldn't be farther from the truth. Since a backlink or a link from another website to your website is like a vote, it isn't necessarily whoever has the most votes or whoever has the most backlinks wins. So let me give you the 3 secret ingredients to be able to rank at the top of Google for almost anything. You see, search engines look at a lot of different factors, things like page rank authority, the relevance of anchor text, but the most intriguing are these 3 ingredients that are: number 1, the number of backlinks coupled with the variety of backlinks and the consistency of the backlinks. And when you throw these 3 ingredients together, you get a powerful combination that you can literally dominate any niche and any keyword that you go after. So let's take a quick look at Google and see how these 3 ingredients work together. So I'm simply going to go to Google, open up a browser, and click on, let's say we're going to look for dog collars. And if I scroll down under the pay-per-click, let's just grab a URL, and let's do hot dog collars. This is a pretty good one right here. So I'm going to simply copy this. Now I'm going to go and take a look at a different site to check out backlinks. Another site that's pretty popular out there is called Majestic SEO. And all I'm going to do is simply click on the main URL and I'm going to paste hotdogcollars.com, and let's explore and see what their backlinks look like. Now you can see here we have the number of backlinks, which is ingredient number 1. Then we have the number of referring domains, which is only 405. So we have the number of backlinks, the uniqueness of the backlinks. So there's only 405 sites. Now Magic Submitter gives you the ability to backlink from over 2,000 different sites. So you see the difference here? They're only at 405 and they only have 1,300. Now the third ingredient is the consistency. Now I want you to see this consistency. So they're 100 to 200, 50 to 100. They're getting backlinks every single day. And this is a tremendous amount of work if you didn't have a powerful platform like Magic Submitter. So you can see here, again, the three ingredients. The external backlinks, which is the number of backlinks, the uniqueness of the backlinks, and the consistency of the backlinks. Now I'd also like to point out one important point that you might have seen, and I want to touch on. You can see here that it's only counting 1,300 backlinks. Well, they did 250 this day and 100 this day and looks like 125 this day. I mean, within 10 days, there's already 1,300 backlinks. So what in the world happened to all these other backlinks every single day? I mean, there are literally thousands of backlinks, but it's only tracking 1,388. Well, this is a very important concept, is that not all backlinks are actually counted. And the way you get a backlink counted is how important that backlink is. And Magic Submitter has an automated system that automatically pings your backlinks, and you can even, on autopilot, send backlinks to your backlinks. And so I won't get into that concept right now, but just know that these guys are struggling to get all their backlinks counted. As you can see, add them all up, and it's a lot more than 1,388. But 1,388 is what they're counting. So Magic Submitter can easily help you dominate, because not only can you have thousands of different referring web domains, but create thousands of backlinks that actually get counted and create a great consistency each and every day on autopilot. So let's just jump in here and let's actually go a couple pages back in Google, and let's take a look at page, let's do on page 4. Let's take a look there. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's just grab a random. Let's do this real quick. And what I'm going to do is open up Site Explorer and in Majestic SEO, and I'm simply going to paste that in and click Explore, and then let's go to page 8 as well. Just want to do a quick comparison for you, and let's grab the bottom one. Let's do a short dog. So we'll just grab the last one. So what is the difference between page 1, page 4, and page 8? Well, as we look at this page 4, Morco, let's take a look here. They only have 655 backlinks and only 317 referring domains, and you can see the consistency is very sporadic, and even down here they have nothing. So they may have even ranked well back here, but look at down here, they're not ranking very well at all because the consistency has dramatically dropped. Now let's look at page 8. Oh, look at that, only 93 backlinks, only 43 referring domains. They're doing only about 15 to 20 each day, but look at the just jumps and highs and lows and highs and lows, and then nothing again. So you can see a pattern here. You want to be on page 1, look at the consistency, look at the amount, look at the referring domains. Page 4, even less, and page 8, even less than that. So I want to share with you what you can do with Magic Submitter, but how Magic Submitter solves this unbelievable problem that only the experts understand. And here's the secret of exactly how to make sure that you have these 3 ingredients in all your marketing online. So now that you know what the experts know, let's take a look at Magic Submitter's cutting-edge, bulletproof system that gives you an unfair advantage to be able to rank almost anything at the top of Google and the search engines. I've opened up Magic Submitter, and I'm going to share with you all the different sites that you have. Article directories and bookmarking service and blogs and RSS feeds and video and forums and press release sites and syndication sites. I mean, it's amazing. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different sites in different categories, all waiting for you to use them to start ranking at the top of Google. So the first thing we want to do real quick is create a profile. So watch how fast this is. Click Fill Profile, choose Hotmail, fill in a few simple things down here, click Save, and then Magic Submitter will automatically create an email account for you in socket mode. And a socket mode is simply it's using the direct access from the internet. It doesn't use a browser. It is 700 times faster than using a browser. And what Magic Submitter is doing right now is setting up an email profile for you, so you literally can create hundreds of accounts on autopilot. So you can see here, it's just taken almost 22 seconds to 30 seconds to create a profile so that we can get started, and we're done. I'm going to double check that my email has been created in a Hotmail. You see the check mark here says it's been created, and then I'm simply going to check it to make sure that it's communicating. I'm going to click test connection, and you can see here connected successfully. So Magic Submitter can communicate with the email, and I've set up a profile already, and we're ready to start creating accounts. It's that fast. So the big choice is, where do we start? Should we do articles, bookmarking services, blogs, videos, forums, press release sites? Well, let's start with bookmarking services. And you can see here that you have dozens and dozens of very high PR, PR8s and PR6s, 3s. These are the top sites in the world when it comes to bookmarking. And all I have to do is check them all here and then click create accounts. And watch how Magic Submitter jumps in just a few seconds, instantly starts creating accounts. You can see only about 18 seconds has gone by, and look at all the accounts it's created. Look at this, it's amazing how fast this is. I mean, multiple accounts. It's like having an army of marketers working for you over and over and over again. And every once in a while, you will certainly get one that doesn't register, but you can always try that again. You can see here that Magic Submitter keeps accountability for everything. It's showing us it's literally creating 44 services a minute. That's how fast it is. So the next thing we want to do now that we've created the sites is we have to verify all our accounts. And Magic Submitter, because it can communicate with our email, can do that for us. So once Magic Submitter is done, it asks you, do you want to activate all the email confirmations now? All you have to do is click yes. But if you don't click yes, Magic Submitter will automatically do this every 20 minutes. And so let's just click yes and watch Magic Submitter open up your email box and then read your emails. And then go through one by one, confirming every single account. It would take, to create 50, 60 accounts, to go through it, could take a day or even 2 days to do what Magic Submitter did in under 2 minutes. Now the next thing we want to do is create an item to submit. So all I have to do is open up a browser in the manage items, and I can actually put my bookmark title in, I can put my URL, my tags, and my description. And what I did real quick is I actually created one just so you could see how easy it is to copy and paste. So you can see here I can take a title like this, or what's even more powerful for those of you that are a little bit more advanced, you can actually put spin syntax in here. So I can actually put the spin syntax, and every single time that Magic Submitter submits something, it's going to spin it, so it's 100% unique content. So you can see here, I can put my URL in, I can put submitter is my keyword, and I can put it as my bookmarking tag keyword as well. And then instead of putting a normal, you can see here, description summary, I can put a spun summary in. And I'm going to copy and paste in there and click preview, and you can see when I spin this, every single time it's going to give me how to understand how to crush it with marketing and PR, learn to crush it with internet advertising, how to get traffic. So you can see every time it submits, we're going to get a backlink, and everything is 100% unique when you use spin syntax. So very powerful feature. Now I'm going to click save, and now we're ready. You can see here how to dominate with marketing online. Now we're ready to submit. Just check all the accounts that you'd like to submit to and click the submit button. And watch Magic Submitter simply quickly submit all your content for you. Look how fast this is. Submitted, submitted, submitted. I mean, it's amazing. Look, we're only 20 seconds. We've already backlinked at least 10, 12, almost 20 now. So I'm hoping you can actually see the power of this. In just a few moments, what we've been able to do is literally send dozens of backlinks to our content. And just not any type of backlinks, the backlinks that are from some of the most popular and most sought after and most authoritative sites in the world, like Tumblr and Delicious. These are PR8s and PR6s and 7s, and not just bookmarking, but remember, you've got article directories and blogs and RSS feeds and video sites and forum sites and press release sites. I mean, over 2,000 sites that you can get backlinks from, and you can put it all on autopilot. So let me give you just a few more powerful features that Magic Submitter can do for you, and watch how fast you can do it. And let me start by showing you the Link Manager, a powerful system that's built into Magic Submitter that quickly and easily downloads every single link that you create. Can you see this? This is amazing. All the content that you create online, Magic Submitter goes out and downloads the link into a proprietary system. And then every time you create more links in that profile or on that account, it cross-references them to make sure that you never get double links. So all these are live links, and all these are literally the backlinks that you created. All systemized, all organized right inside Magic Submitter. Now remember when I showed you a few minutes ago why some links don't get found is because not only do you not have the links, but you don't know how to support the links. So inside Magic Submitter, you can actually turn all these links and RSS them. You can even bookmark your links, and Magic Submitter even automatically pings all your links for you. And it just doesn't ping or notify the search engines on a few different sites, it literally notifies on dozens of sites. So this is why Magic Submitter links always get picked up, and why other systems or people that do it manually don't. Now this is just the tip of the iceberg, but now let me give you the most powerful feature that I've ever seen in any software platform, and it's called the campaign mode. And all I'm going to do is click on the campaign button here, open up a campaign, and watch how fast I can literally put all my marketing on autopilot. I'm just going to adjust the frame here so you can see this. So this is my money site. This is the site that I want to rank at the top of Google, and let's say I want to backlink it with some article directories, and I want to bookmark it, and I want to send some backlinks for some blogs, and then I want to backlink it with some press releases and then some WordPress blogs. All I have to do is simply open up one of these areas. I put in my title, my tags, my description, I click save. I open up an article, put my article title, summary, my article itself, keywords, and click save. And then all I have to do is connect it to the money site. And then inside the money site, I can actually set a certain amount of days that I want this entire campaign to randomly send backlinks to. So I can actually set this up over a 7-day period. And then each and every day, Magic Submitter will send backlinks to my money site over a 7-day period. So I don't have to do anything but just set it and forget it. And even more powerful than that is Magic Submitter will automatically take all these links and backlink them. All you do is simply send backlinks to your backlinks. So you can actually take blogs and you can backlink your article directory links with blogs. You can take your RSS and you can backlink your press release sites. You can take Expression Engine or Forum, and then you can actually backlink your WordPress. And then you can take your, let's say we'll take some other sites like some microblogs, and you can backlink your microblogs. So what you're doing here is you're backlinking your backlinks. So this would be the first 7 days, and the Magic Submitter would automatically send backlinks to your backlinks the next 7 days. So literally this is a 14-day campaign, all on autopilot. Just set it and forget it. And again, remember when I was showing you why some backlinks never get found? Well, Magic Submitter has literally solved that problem with its campaign feature. So you can see how powerful this is. And we want to get you started right away and dominating your market online. So here's what we'd like to do. We'd like to give you our Magic Submitter software, which if you compare any other software that's out there in a submitter class, it's a minimum of $147 a month. And we're going to give you live, free, interactive forum that you can engage with some of the best marketers in the world. And if you actually go on any type of forum, they minimally charge $47 a month. And you're going to get free monthly updates. We're also going to give you free email support, also free live coaching and training. Now, if you're involved in any type of monthly coaching or training when it comes to teaching you how to market online, it's a minimum of $100 a month. And we're also going to give you free access to Marketing Training Vault, which has literally dozens and dozens and dozens of trainings of how to market press releases and how to optimize and how to do video marketing or RSS marketing. It's an amazing vault that is just filled with unbelievable insider secrets of how to dominate the top of the search engine. Although the Magic Submitter program is worth over $500 a month, we're not even going to charge you $397 for it. Or we're not even going to charge you $297. You're not even going to have to pay $197. And even though $97 is a steal, you're not even going to have to pay that. It's only $4.95. See, we don't want you making decisions right now. All you have to do is just jump in, take advantage of Magic Submitter, and you can use it for 60 days with a 100% money back guarantee. And for the first month, it's only $4.95, and it's only $67 every month after. You see, we want you dominating your marketing online, and we want to turn you into one of the best marketers in the world. So we've given you an entire suite of just not tools and software, but also training and live coaching, all for only $4.95. So scroll down, click the add to cart button, and jump in and use Magic Submitter. You don't have to make any decisions right now. You can simply buy Magic Submitter for $4.95 and try it out for a month. And on top of that, we're going to give you a 60-day 100% money back guarantee. So if you're not 100% satisfied with everything that you're getting, simply email us and we'll return 100% of your money, and we'll even return the $4.95. So you can see that you don't have to make any decisions. You can jump in, start using Magic Submitter, show up for our live trainings, engage in our interactive forums, start using Magic Submitter, send lots of backlinks to your content, and watch your content get to the top of Google. You'll start getting lots of traffic, and you start selling your products and services more than you ever have before. We're 100% sure that you're going to love Magic Submitter so much. Again, we're going to give you a full 60-day 100% money back guarantee. I want to thank you so much for visiting us. Again, just scroll down, click add to cart, and jump in, download Magic Submitter, and start using it to dominate your online marketing. Look forward to seeing you at the top of Google. Again, scroll down and click add to cart, and we'll see you inside in the next live training.